We need to go. Do you know where my hat went?
Yes.
What? Did you say yes?
Hi, Wiggles. What you doing? What you doing there, Wiggles? You're not very happy, Wiggles, are you? You complaining because you don't feel very good, huh? Wiggles is a little bit of a sickie. She's a sick little Wiggles. Yes, she is. Are you a sick little Wiggles? Are you a sick little Wiggles? Are you a sick little Wiggles? You gotta get your arms up there, silly. Where's your arms?